Mga Kogs, ito yung sinasabi ni former President Rodrigo Duterte bago siya dalhin sa The Hague. Hindi ito pinalabas sa mainstream media eh. Ito yung video na hindi makasagot yung abogado na naghain sa kanya ng isang dokumento, no, or warrant ba yun? Hindi ko alam. But hindi ka tameme. Ganito ka talino si former President Rodrigo Duterte. Pakinggan natin, guys.
Papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti,
We're just going through the process.
kaya nga. Pero ako, ang akin is legal. What's your basis now? I'm asking, I'm a lawyer, I'm asking you now, what is the legal basis of sa police power? Anong basis ninyo to take me into custody? Wala. So I have to resist and not to go back to these idiots and tell them, and I will go to them after I have watched. Ako ang magpupunta sa kanila. Walang basis at di magkakaanohan tayo dito. It would be illegal for you, as a matter of fact, it is illegal for you to ask me to go with you without any papel lang ito.